Uchu, why is your face like this? What's happening?
Uchu, I don't know. I don't know.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Do you know that since Uncle Okafor came into this compound and I decided to be nice and compassionate with him, I have become everybody's enemy in this compound. I don't understand anymore. I don't know.
See, Esther, don't worry, okay? Don't worry. Don't bother yourself about what anybody says, okay? Just follow your heart and do the right thing. And what is your mother saying about it?
My mother?
Yes.
Huh. She's even worse. She's worse. She's supposed to be the one encouraging me to be nice to people. But she's making the whole matter worse. I'm confused.
Esther, don't worry, okay? Everything will be fine. Just cheer up, okay? Follow your heart and do the right thing. Yes, I'm sure. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Anyway, I came to tell you something.
What is it?
I'm getting married soon.
Huh?
Yes.
What did you just say? I didn't hear you. Just say it
You
again.
heard me.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh, I'm so happy. I'm happy for you. Are you serious?
I'm scared.
Hey. I'm happy.
Are your parents out? Okay. My uncle wants you to come join us.
Oh, John, I've never tested your food since we came inside this compound. Let me follow you to work. Let's talk.
Love on fire.
Sometimes
I wonder why I nobody before. When I know I realize that we love God. Right now we can celebrate all of our lives. Cause yes, I found the one who complements my lifestyle. What am I go live wanyama. Onya di ma go live no rugia.
You like it?
Do you think this?
No. You like it?
I wish I can say no. Very nice.
Oh. You like it, though?
I want to try the just this now.
No, I don't eat meat. I don't know. You want to eat it. There's enough meat in it. Let me ask you this. I want to ask you something. Will you marry my son when he returns from the US?
Uncle Gaf, I prefer to marry your nephew here, who is serving you, than to marry your son in America.
Listen, nothing in this life can make me happy than to see you marry my son when he comes back. And he's coming back very soon.
Like I said before, I like John. Let me marry John, who is serving my friend.
Oh, I like you too. Yes, but I'll be happy if you do what my uncle wants you to do. Marry his son.
Okay, if that will make you happy, I'll marry him.
I am happy already. Let's enjoy
I don't even care about
Anybody
can say a word. Bad and the ugly in between. Yet you were still the one and the only one for me.
Son, it was a great and wonderful adventure, though full of embarrassing and uncomfortable moments.
Very uncomfortable.
But we finally made it.
Yes, Father.
Yes. I have gotten you a wife in 2 months. Just 2 months.
I can't wait to have her.
Yes.
Son, you have to be patient. My son has to come back from the US before we can leave. Okay? So be patient.
In that case, let him come back tomorrow. Uncle Okafor.
Don't worry. He will come back very soon, John. My servant. Please remove these things. Let me get some fresh air. Alright.
If not the will of God, I go marry you. I don't even care about what people have to say. Anybody can say a word, but only you are here. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly in between. Yet you are still the one and the only one for me.
Nah, show me the wins.
Joe, you sent for us.
Yes, I did. You guys should come and massage me.
You are saying this because you know the king and the prince are not around.
Are you okay? Come massage me, you go. Madam,
we're coming back soon. And I want you to prepare as much as you can before the king is back. You know, he will not want to hear any stories because he trusts you people.
Yeah, thank you.
Trust me, we are prepared. The main thing I want to know is that when exactly they are coming back.
Well, what I don't know is when they are coming back. But I know that the time is near.
But I want you to make sure everything is set before he's back.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
That is good. Make sure you guys get everything set because the king will not come back and start hearing any stories. Huh?
Yes, sir.
I trust you.
I'm not a storyteller.
Start arranging every room because the king is coming back to make me the original and the youngest to know.
Hey!
I will be the next to know.
Woo! Spider-Man. Ladies first. Oh my God. Come on. You all know what is going on in the palace now.
Ono visited today and he said that
the king and prince will be coming back soon. Just that I don't know the dates. So I want everybody to get ready. For those that know how to talk, behave yourself, comport. I am a guy at school, that's what they will comport. Comport yourself. And when you go back to your duty post, make sure you tell people that are not here that the king and the prince are coming back soon. Thank you, and God bless you. I remain your humble chief guard, Joseph, aka David and Shioma. We are together for life. Thank you. I'm handing the microphone. 1, 2, 1, 2. Thank you. You can go back to your duty post. I take that as a beat.
Next time you try that nonsense again, I will so deal with you.
Good night.
And the king of Asaba we'll be very glad to host him and his future wife-to-be.
Yes.
And I'm here inviting you specially to go to Asaba next tomorrow with me.
I don't think that my parents will...
No. I am also inviting your parents to come with us. Yes.
Okay. I will talk to them this evening.
Please do go now and talk to them. Tell me first thing in the morning. Okay?
I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
Mama, Papa, Uncle Kafo's son is coming back from America tomorrow.
Hey!
He asked me to marry his son.
Does it mean that Okafor do not have any bad intention towards my daughter?
Hey, Papa. Uncle Kafour said that the king of Asaba wants to honor his son with his future wife, which is me. He asked me to plead with you people to come with us to Asaba.
Asaba, here I come. I'm going to change. Asaba, here.
Okay. You have to leave I and your mother alone.
Okay, no problem. I'm so happy.
What do you think about all this? As I say,
Mama, is this a question on you? Since his son is coming from America, we need dollar to complete our building. Me, I'm tired of living in a rented apartment. Or don't you want to be called a landlord? And Oyiritia, a landlady. I told you! Yes, I told you that Esther, our daughter, is worth more than 1,000 children.
Esther, I have a very important appointment next week. When I'm done with the appointment, I will join you before I
Papa, thank you. Thank you, Mama. Thank you so much.
In addition to what your father just said now, tomorrow I will take you to the market and buy you new clothes so that you look good on that day.
Papa, you are the best daddy in the whole world. Mommy, thank you. You know.
So tell your Okafor you will honor his invitation.
I'm so happy. I'm going right away. I won't wait. I will not wait.
Who is that?
It's me, Esther.
Esther.
Uncle Okafor.
No. Not Uncle Okafor. Father-in-law.
Okay, my father-in-law.
Yes.
I have good news for you.
Really?
Yes.
I'm all ears.
I have talked to my parents and they have accepted to follow me to Asaba.
Yes! You see, I told you. Where can I be without you? Thank you very much.
You don't need to thank me. Let me go and finish what I was doing.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay. Bye. Sit down, dear. Sit down, dear. Yes.
Now who you want, Mali? You might just not answer these questions because you're not ready. Woman are plenty.
Mama, this one is...
Hey, my dear, how are you?
Until you're ready to set
it has a butterfly hand.
Mama, see now. Mama, see the stones now. The stones.
You like it? You like it? How much is this blouse?
1.5. I beg, give me that one you're touching. Just give me that one. Hey, Mama, see. Mama, this one is beautiful. This one is big girl's clothes.
See your hand.
It's a big girl's clothes. Hey! Mama, it's beautiful.
Just for 1.5. Mama, is it like? I like it. No problem. Did you say 1.15? Can I price?
You can price small. You can price.
It's 800.
No, my it's 115. For me to sell early morning market, just take it 2,000 both of them.
2,000.
This is so expensive. Take 2,000.
Mama, please now. I like it. People, please. I like it.
That means you will trek home. You will trek home. You will trek home.
Mama, please.
Thank you.
Mama, thank you. But thank you so much. Like, it's beautiful. Thank you.
Let's fix the hand.
I'm sorry, give me.
Come again next time. Let's go. I'm so happy.
Johnny, I beg you pray for me. I would go through these hills and valleys to watch you smile. I would give just anything to make you mine. I got my wangi, I got my wake, my racing wangi do call. I got my wangi, I got my wake, my racing wangi do call. If not the will of God, I go marry you. I don't even care about what people have to say. Anybody can say a word, but only you are here. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly in between. Yet you are still the one and the only one for me. Baby girl, you are my heart desire. See the way you done make me feel, you done set my love on fire. Sometimes I wonder why I know Mali before. Wanna know what I realize in a world of God. Right now we can say all of our lifetime. Cause yes, I found the one who complements my lifestyle. What am I gonna leave it?
I don't want you to go with that old man to their village. Why? Esther, he wants to use you and your parents for money ritual. How did you know that? Who told you? It's Anita. Oh, Anita. Okay. Are you done talking? When you are done, you can go inside, okay? Esther! Esther! Esther, for your own good!
give you hour, I never let you down. So can we slide? Can we take it slowly? And we can take a trip around the world, babe. Now I don't realize, you know we love God. And now I don't realize, you know we love God. And now we can celebrate.
You know,
Precious, he's even living with Esther and her parents, so what for?
we claimed that his son is back in America. He's coming to take him back. It is when the old man will use them for ritual that they will know what they did to themselves.
Okay, who told you guys that old man is a ritualist? This young people will sit here and that man will slice you up. Just sit here and be talking.
Okay, shut up!
Yeah, you got my guy. For the man. Give me that working here. Thank you.
Good things of life, oh, comes in disguise, oh, brother. Good things of life, oh, comes in disguise, oh.
Where is your father?
Sorry, he will join us later.
I saw the day. Them not go put you for wahala. I saw it feel. Them not go put you for palabra.
What is this peripheral agronomy that I am seeing in your peripheral? Okay. Why are you looking at my periphery as if you want to sell it? Now listen to me. My great-grandfather owned this house. When he died, he handed it to my grandfather. And I'm even now. When my grandfather died, he handed it to my father. Now when my father died, he handed it to me. And of course, when I die, I will hand it to either you, Naomi, or Anita. So what is the problem? Why do you want to sell it before time?
Papa, I don't want to sell your house. See, as I'm talking to you right now, this house is not my problem right now, please.
So what is your problem?
Papa, as I'm talking to you right now, Uncle Kava's son is back from America and he has invited Esther and the parents to come to Asaba.
You are a little... go and make food for me to eat.
But there is no food.
Why?
Papa, when you are leaving this house, you don't drop any money for me to cook something. There is no food.
When I was your age, I feed my father, I feed my mother, and I feed my uncle, and my uncle brother Okafor. I feed all of them. So as small as you are, you cannot feed your papa. Now stand up and go and make food for me.
There is no food now.
Go and prepare food for me. Anyhow. There is nothing in the house.
Nothing.
Okay, what's in there?
Papa, I don't know. You just call me, you call me somebody. There is no food.
Marry your blessing, marry your blessing, no. You enjoy. If you carry your hand, wear your blessing, no. Now you sabi.
Uncle Okafor. John, you are welcome to the Palace of Kingdoms.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Make yourself comfortable. The king will join you soon.
Thank you. Good afternoon.
Make yourself comfortable. The king will join you soon.
If not the will of God, I go marry you.
Sit there.
I don't even care about what people have to say. Anybody can say a word, but only you are here. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly in between. Yet you are still the one and the only one for me.
The king wants to see both of you upstairs. Come with me.
Sometimes I wonder why I know nobody before.
Yes.
Right now we can celebrate all of our lifetime. Cause there's a fire that my life.
The king will join Aronaka. It's a name, so you will build your own apartment, whatever. So come, let's have some choreography. All of them will come dance. Yes.
Right at the nick of time, I have found you. Until the very end, I will love you. I will never ever make you cry. I never let you down, baby. I'll never ever give you hour. I never let you down. So can we slide? Can we take it slowly? We can take a trip around the world, babe. Now I don't realize, you know we love God. And now I don't realize, you know we love God. And now we can celebrate, celebrate, celebrate. We call the friends and family to come and celebrate, yeah. Everything gonna flow, and nobody go from this go. I don't wanna keep you low. This is once in a lifetime. What am I go leave it? Go leave it, no regret. I said go leave it when you're mad.
This is my apartment, okay? Just feel relaxed and comfortable, okay? Your dinner with the king will start by 6. So in case you don't know, as they used to say it in the music, hello, testing the mic. In case you don't know, I'm the chief guard, I'm the chief chef, I'm the chief householders.
Only you?
Yes, I'm the key holder, yeah. So feel relaxed. I'm the only chief guard with swaggling. Now see my swag.
This one is still funny.
I don't used to go like that. Who can swag if I'm going? And I'm I don't just go like that.
Well, this place is fine.
What's on this?
It doesn't use remote. Just what you have to do is AC on myself. Yes. What is AC? You don't know what is AC? AC is that thing that used to do that used to bring out water. And the water will be chilled. Nana boy.
Don't forget the password is easy.
Oh yeah. Boy, now when you want Mali, now who you want Mali?
Esther.
My dear.
This is from the king to you and your parents. Use them for the dinner. We're expecting a very important guest from America.
From Abu
Yes.
My daughter. Do you mean it?
Yes, sir.
She can judge. Are you telling me the truth?
Yes, ma.
Your hair is kind. Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. Hi, they are very beautiful.
Alright, I text you very now.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Yes, everything. We want to give you food, they will beg. Mama, see, we want to give you clothes, they will beg. She wants to leave. I need to take my leave. Give me a bed. Mama, I'm telling you. Mercy, bring it now. Boss.
My daughter, the important guest from America is your future husband.
Okafor's son! Look, the king of Asaba must love Okafor and his son a lot.
Papa, Mama, I told you that Uncle Okafor is a very pleasant and a very nice person. If you come to know him.
Maybe this Okafor you're talking about now is one of the king's elders. Or he's related to the royal family. Take any I don't know. He said that the king wants to honor his son and his children. You don't know what I'm saying.
To make you mine. And so I did Johnny.
Here comes King Otutu, the king of Asaba Kingdom. She's still breathing. She'll be fine.
She'll be fine.
Oh.
Get water. Go.
I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly in between.
Mr. Okafor, what is the meaning of this?
So you are the king of Asaba, and John here, your son.
Why did you lie to us? Mind your language. You are talking to our king. You don't talk to our king like that.
Oh no.
You're the princess of the king.
Oh no, it's okay.
Good things of life.
I want everyone to move to their duty posts.
Oh yeah. I boy, you know when you want Mali. Now who you want Mali?
My real name is Jason.
Prince Jason, you mean? Uncle Okafor's son in America. Why? Why?
I'm sorry, but it's a long story. I'll tell you everything later.
But I asked you if you...
Esther, will you marry me?
What? No, I won't take this.
Papa Esther! Papa Esther! Papa Esther! Papa Esther!
I don't know. Maybe I will think about it.
Alright. I'll give you some time to think.
The one for me, 'cause in the end, she's still the best of me. The one for me, yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
You are the worst mistake I didn't make, but the best decision I have made. I will go through these hills and mountains to see you. Oh, baby, I will give just anything to make you mine. And so I did, Johnny, I beg you pray for me. I will go through these hills and find.
Wait.
What?
I want to tell you something.
Please, just save your best. No.
What do you mean, no?
I will not marry you.
Why?
I hate liars.
Esther, please calm down. I believe he has reasons for everything and he has just told us. Please.
Papa, please. Pack your things. We are leaving this palace right now.
Why? Don't you want to marry the prince again?
No! He's a liar. I hate lies. I can't marry him.
He has given us his reasons. Papa, Esther, please calm down. This is not time for all this. Please. Calm down, please.
If not the will of God, I go marry you. I don't even care about what people have to say. Anybody can say a word, but only you are here. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly in between. Yet you are still the one and the only one for me. Baby girl, you are my heart desire. See the way you done make me feel, you done set my love on fire. Sometimes I don't.
Now that I've found the right thing, she says she won't marry me.
Yes, Esther has a very strong character.
I should have known she would not tolerate just a little lie.
Son, she was hurt. Let's give her some time. She may come around.
Why I called you guys out here? Ever since the king and the prince came back from the journey, things have been somehow.
What are you saying? Can't you see the girl in question is heartbroken? And I'm not even sure if the prince will be able to marry her.
How will the prince be happy? You tell me, how will he be happy when the girl has not said no to him? Eh? I know the king is wise. And I'm sure he knows what to do about it. Are you sure? I'm sure.
I'll never ever give you hour, I'll never let you down. So can we slide? Can we take it slow? We can take a trip around.
I should have just told her the truth earlier on. Now it's too late.
Son, it's not too late, son.
Of course it's too late, father. I've lost her.
It's not too late.
I try to pick up time, I will find you. If not the will of God, I go marry you. I don't even care about what people have to say. Anybody can say a word, but
Yes, I will leave both of you.
John, Jackson, Uncle Kafo's son in America, or the king's son. I will marry you. Yes.
wanted to propose to you earlier. I love you.
I love you more. I love you so much. I will stop loving you.
Son, life is a journey. And only prosperity can provide us with the answers we seek in life. I know it has not been easy for you to find a wife, but I am glad that today you are about to open up a new page in your life. As your father and the king of this great kingdom, I hereby bless this union.
You say,
Ogario no mana beke.
you say,
Ogario no mana for.
you say,
Ogario no mana for.
you say,
Ogario no mana ori.
you say.
I'm now blessed and for my wife.
If not the will of God, I go marry you. I don't even care about what people have to say. Anybody can say a word, but only you are here.
You actually know that it's been days now, and nobody has heard from Esther and her parents since they left to Asaba. Are you sure they are okay?
Wait, it's true. It's been like a week and nobody knows their whereabouts. I think there's something wrong. There's something wrong somewhere.
Yes. Everything is wrong. Everything. I think that man must have used them for money ritual. Well, I'm not worried about that too, because I warned her. I told her before they left, but she wouldn't listen.
If that man used them for money ritual, that is good for them. It serves them right. Because I gave them advice. But no, we are stupid now. So look at it now.
I need that 200. The Prince of Asaba has finally gotten married.
What do you want concern me for Asaba with the prince?
Maybe see on some girl they show you don't marry the taxi. See the prince now. Hey! You know Allah, Bob, see, I will come back and take him. Don't give me my card now. Hey! They don't want to say your card. Where they go now?
If not the will of God,
hey! Anita! Anita, allow me! Anita! Hey! This is not happening. Just look. You can't look at this now. Look at it. It's a lie. Hey! Are you blind? Hey! So, that old man is the king of Asaba? Yes! Someone told me about it, but I didn't believe it. Anita, you see what you have caused. Anita! Stop shouting my name like that. You know what? I'll keep this paper so I can show it to my father. Keep pushing and show it to your father. Give it to me! You want to show your father? Hey! So this is how we miss our luck. God forbid. Hey! Oh! Hey!
Let your man know, yeah.
Come and see. Just see for yourself. Prince of Asaba has finally gotten married to Esther. Did you see what we have caused to ourselves? Can you imagine? This man proposed to me first. Me too. John or Prince Jackson tried to talk to me, but I shunned him. I should have known.
I never let you down, baby. I'll never ever give you hour. I never let you down. So can we slide? Can we take it slowly? We can take a trip around the world, babe. Now I don't realize, you know we love God. And now I don't realize, you know we love God.
We missed our luck.
Now we can celebrate.
Old man is actually the king of Asaba.
You are evil. You are a witch, Anita. You see what your evil mouth? This evil mouth has made me lose something great. You see, you are a witch. I know that you are a witch. You are an enemy of God. Anita! Say one more word, and I will slap your teeth out from your mouth. Anita, me! Just wait. Wait for me, I'm coming. Hey, Anita!
Stop telling me that. You think I don't know what is going on in your compound? Huh? You think I don't know what is going on in your compound? See, let me tell you, it's over.
No, you can't do this to me. Please, I can't do anything to hurt you.
Hey! You can't do anything to hurt me?
Yes.
You are hurting me already.
No, I can't hurt you.
Dating this old man with his son. You are hurting me already. You are hurting me.
Who told you I'm dating him? I'm not dating any other person aside from
Why are you asking? Why are you asking? To move now. Why are you asking? In fact, let me tell you, this relationship is over.
Hey!
Naomi, why I called you out here is that I need you to borrow me that your red gown. I have somewhere I'm going this evening, and seriously, I need to wear that red gown. You know I love it so much.
Rejoice. You know I don't play with that gown. Just remove your mind from the gown. Even my sister Anita, she cannot beg me for that gown because she know I will not give it to her. Not to talk of an outsider like you. I'm sorry.
Naomi, Biko no, Biko. I promise you, first thing tomorrow morning, I'm going to return your gown to you. Biko, please. Please.
Rejoice. Why are you making me look as if I'm wicked? I'm sorry, I can't. Manye won't get Biko. Sorry.
Remember, I'm a tailor. Yes. Naomi, I'm a tailor.
Rejoice, I know you are a tailor. That's why you're supposed to make that dress. You go to the market, buy the material, then sew the gown. Yes, now.
It's okay.
Hello? What's up? Where are you? Okay, I'm coming. I want to get in the
Imagine I'm begging her for just a gown and she refused to give it to me.
Please don't baby me. Don't even try it again in your life.
Hey, why are you sounding like this? What is it?
As if you don't know what brought me. See, in case you don't know, I came to let you know officially that I am done with this relationship. You can go ahead and mingle with that old fool in your compound and his son, that stupid son of his that can never provide you with a cream or underwears.
Look at this one. I'm even helping his life. You are not even grateful. You are here saying rubbish.
Excuse you? Wait. You and I, who is helping who? See, let me warn you for the last time again. Don't you ever in your life cross my path again. Go on, follow these street boys. Nonsense chewing boys that cannot even buy you a cream or underwears. The next time you cross my path, I'm going to deal with you squarely. Excuse me.
Hey, Naomi, you are suffered. Look at these stingy goats. Look at this. Hey, Naomi, you are suffered. It's not your fault. It's not your fault. It's not your fault. It's my fault for dating you, dirty boy. You don't can manage it. Rubbish.
Good things of life, oh, comes in disguise, oh, brother. Good things of life, oh, comes in disguise, oh. Best things in life are free.
Why is your face like this? Are you okay? Is it not that stupid boy? I was thinking he has sense, but now I can say he's senseless. Not just senseless, but very stupid as well.
Naomi, take it easy on him.
Take it easy on who? That stingy fool. Please don't tell me to take it easy, Obiko.
Wait, but I thought you said you love him.
Rejoice, please. Let's change this topic. And if you don't want us to change this, please just go back to your shop. Oh, go back to your shop.
My sister, I'm leaving though. Already you have refused to give me the gown I asked you for from you. So I'm leaving.
Go
you don't
now.
even have to tell me.
Go and make the dress. Are you not a tailor? Go and make it. Beggy. Nonsense.
Good things of life.
You see yourselves? You see yourselves? Ordinary Esther is smarter than both of you. Now, these people who came and disguised themselves, and you did not know it was a king and a prince. Your stupidity and your foolishness did not let you know it was a king and prince. It was Esther who now knew. Hey! This is how Jesus Christ will come and disguise himself, and you still will not know it is Jesus Christ. Naomi.
Yes, Papa.
Anita.
Yes, Papa.
Do you know why I called you people?
No, Papa.
Two of you are little monkeys.
Good things of life, oh, comes in disguise, oh, brother. Good things of life, oh, comes in disguise, oh. Best things in life are free and simple. That's so it be. Them not go give you heat and pimple. That's so it day. Them not go put you for wahala. That's so it be. Them not go put you for palava. That's so it day. Make you marry a blessing, marry a blessing.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How can I help you? Are you looking for accommodation?
No. It seems you don't recognize us.
Your face is familiar.
I'm Esther. I am Mama Esther.
Esther!
Oga landlord. Yes.
Hey!
Yes.
Esther! You are not a princess. Hey! Come and sit down. No, come. Don't do that. Please! Come and sit down.
You don't have to do that.
Please. Let me offer you anything you want. I can give you shawarma. I can give you upobi. I can give you isiewu. I can give you point.
No, all that. No. Please, you've come to inform your house key. Yes.
House key. You are not wanting to live here again.
Of course, you should know that. No. Oga landlord, everything is fine. Now I like you so much. I can't live without blessing you. You know you're man. I can't live without blessing you.
Let me smile for you.
Just be happy. I just say you be happy man. Say, take this, get something for you and your little sister. Okay? Hey.
Good things of life comes in disguise.
Take it. Oh, baby. Let me just relax, okay?
You know, as it is, I cannot spread money on you, but I want to bless you and your household with this little token.
Esther.
Oga landlord. Take. Buy something.
Do you know that daughter does not belong to one person alone?
It's true.
Just because Esther have lived here, she is my daughter. In fact, you are my first daughter.
Oh.
Yes. From today henceforth, from 12.
Oga landlord, thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Let's take our leave. Anita, Naomi, please take care of yourselves. Let's go. Honey, take care. Oga landlord.
Okay. Excuse me. What of your property inside the house?
Don't worry about that. You can make use of them. Yes. We don't need it again. Bye.
Best things in life are free and simple. Now so it them not go give you heat and pimple. Now so it be them not go put you for wahala. Now so it them not go put you for palava. Now so it be make you marry your blessing. Marry your blessing, no, now you go enjoy.
You see yourself? You see yourself? Esther is now dashing you one. Esther. Omega to like a dog baby. Your eyes are not open to see good things when they come. Anyway. Esther is now my first daughter, whether you like it or not. Esther is my first daughter. I said Esther is my first daughter, whether you like it or not. Hey, it's not by might, it's not by strength, by the Spirit, said our Lord. Esther is my blessing,
best things in life are free and simple. So it them not go give you heat and pimple. That's so it be. Them not go put you for wahala. That's so it them not go put you for palava. That's so it be. Make you marry your blessing. Marry your blessing, no, now you go enjoy. If you carry your hand on, throw away your blessing, no, now you sabi. Good things of life, comes in disguise, oh. Brother, good things of life, comes in disguise, oh. Best things in life are free and simple. That's so it be. Them not go give you heat and pimple. That's so it day. Them not go put you for wahala. That's so it be. Them not go put you for palava. That's so it day. Make you marry your blessing. Marry your blessing. Marry your blessing, no. Now you go enjoy. If you carry your hand, carry your hand, wear your blessing, no. Now you sabi. Yeah.